Okay, so I've gotten the clamp loose and pulled it out. So this is loose now. Let's pull this out carefully. Okay, so now let's see if this part comes off. You need to loosen it a little more. Okay, that's off. Let's put this off to the side. Now, as you can see by removing that, we have way more space. And if we remove these and the harness, oops, let's see, harness won't get in the way. Now, what else do we need to remove? Okay, so I don't hear any more coolant dripping. So let's go ahead and plug up this hole. O-ring stayed in there. We'll fix that later. So as long as it's not dripping, it's okay. Leave a clip there. It's a little bit of coolant. Most of it's spilled out on the road. So let's go ahead and lower the car so we can reach over some more and work back there. Okay, I've moved the this harness that used to be here, moved it over and get some more room back there. And I found out what blew out. See if I can get in here. Goddamn allergies. Okay, let's see. Let's see back here. Damn cables. Goddamn allergies. Goddamn everything. Goddamn it. Goddamn Chinese democracy. Alright. Let's see if I can go back there. Trying to find it, but there's a hose. See that hose right there? That hose right there is the hose, this hose right here. Goes under. Let me show you at the new part. Okay. This is the new part. Pretend that this is the back of the block. This goes like this, like so. Except the hose, not bad. This is the back of the block. This pretty much, this part blew out. So you have to replace it, obviously. So what's in the way now is I think it's the coolant temp sensor. That's it right there. Of course, I need two hands to remove that. Let's see what else is in the way. This, I'm gonna try to work around this. I don't want to remove it. See what else over here. Just this harness is kind of in the way, and since this cable goes to the oxygen sensor, no, this one goes to the oxygen sensor, and this one goes to the MAF sensor. So we need to remove, like I said before, the coolant temp sensor.